Ever wondered how modern cars communicate internally? It's all thanks to a powerful technology called CAN protocol. Hi, I am Shambhat and I'm an expert in CAN bus communication. This video is about my Udemy course, Master CAN Development from Beginner to Expert. This is the second course in my CAN protocol trilogy series. In this course, I'll guide you through mastering CAN development for the automotive industry with theoretical and practical hands-on knowledge. Do you want to land a high-paying job in automotive engineering but struggling to understand the complexities of CAN development, or trying to get better with your CAN developer job? For that, this course is your answer. The key benefits: Master CAN development. Learn CAN nodes, Comstack configuration, DBC file, and essential tools with this course. Hands-on experience. Get practical experience with industry standard tools like Davinci Configurator Pro, Vector CAN etc. Land your dream job. Be well prepared for CAN development interviews and real-world projects. So, what are you waiting for? Enroll now and get exclusive bumper discount for limited time period. Don't miss out. Visit our course details including discount coupon from our blog post whose link is provided in the description. Hurry up and enroll in this course before the discount coupon expires. I wish you well and happy learning.